This single-level home showcases Lena's signature next-gen R suite, ideal for multi-generational living with a separate entrance, living space, kitchenette, bedroom, bathroom and laundry. The main home is host to a generous open-concept design shared between the kitchen, dining room and living room, with sliding glass doors that lead to a covered patio. The owner's suite is situated at the back of the home, while 3 secondary bedrooms offer comfortable and private retreats. Interior bedrooms, 5 primary bedroom level. Down other rooms, dining room, living room, master bedroom, bathrooms, full bathrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 1 exterior garage and parking. Number of garage spaces, 4.